This extension cord was accidentally cut apart by a trimmer recently, and in this video I'll show you the correct way to repair it. As you can see, it really got mangled, but it's quite easy to fix even if you have no experience. That's because I just have to replace the end. This is a female replacement plug, but a repair to the male end will be exactly the same process. The first 4 feet of this cord is already in bad condition, so I'll cut off the worst part. Now I'm going to remove about 1.5 inches of the outer insulation. There's probably better tools for this, but I'm going to try not to damage any of the wires inside. Next step is to remove about 1/2 inch of insulation. And just so you know, this self-adjusting wire stripper is one of the best I've ever used. Now let's prepare the new plug by loosening up the screws in the front. At this point I can open it up and get my first look inside. Next, loosen the 2 screws for the wire clamp. Before moving on, it's important to know where the wires go. So here, the white wire goes to the silver screw, the black wire goes to the gold screw, and the green wire attaches to the green screw. And you can refer back to this if needed because it's important to get the wiring correct. So now insert the cord through the back of the receptacle cover. And now I can start by loosening up the gold terminal screw. It only needs to back out a tiny bit. And this is where I'll attach the black wire. Make sure it's under the little metal bracket before securing it in. Now I'll do the same with the white wire, which attaches to the silver screw. And the last one is the green wire. At this point, make sure all the wires are well secured. Now slide the receptacle covers together. And in order to line up the screws, it'll only fit together one way. Then just tighten these up. Last thing to do is secure the cable clamp. Repairing an extension cord is actually really easy to do, and I'll list the replacement parts and tools in the description so it's easy for you to find. Okay, before I call this done, I'll test this to make sure I wired it correctly. So the right side of the outlet is the line wire, and it should beep when I test it with my voltage detector. And there should be no sounds when I test the left side. With that in mind, let's check the extension cord. Okay, this is looking really good and my repair is completely done. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my DIY videos.